Okay, family, this is the Vevor Professional Commercial Ice Maker. Before we get started and show you guys the front, I wanted to show you guys the outlet. So you have the water inlet, you have the water outlet on here. Goes over the filter diagram on the back here, as well as more specs. You can pause the video at any point. It takes your standard 3-prong outlet. So far, it's a nice looking unit. So here's a look at the front of the unit itself. I love how big but yet compact it is. So you have your window right on here. Make sure you take out all the accessories first. So again, you just easily, there's a little lip in here, you just easily lift that up. We could take a look inside. Of course, it comes with your filter, water line, your drain hose, ice scooper, and manual. And for your filter, you just simply thread it on, connect it to the water line, and also to the water inlet hose that's in your building or home. And again, they actually show you in the manual where to connect, how to connect, and all that fun stuff. So they make it easy for you guys. Again, with simple, easy to follow instructions and diagrams, you guys can easily figure this out. Once turned on, you can see that it gives this really cool color inside, nice blue. So you can easily see on the inside. And of course you have your settings on here. Do not, please my friends, do not turn it on without having it first hooked up. Just because you want to prolong the machine, and turning it on when there's nothing inside, no water to go in the line, is not good on it. But you got reservation, clean, stoppage, melting, ice full, add water, tons of settings. You got hot, so overall it is a very nice unit, guys. By the way, if you have a big enough power bank, you can actually run this off grid if you ever need to, which is pretty cool.